Absolutely.
And the other great thing about blue-green roofs is, particularly in city centers, again, installing a blue-green roof, it means that you're going to reduce significantly the number of downpipes that go down through your building by at least 50%, which also means that you're going to reduce significantly not only the depth, but the number of pipe work on the ground that's going to effectively discharge to the sewer. So in that sense, it makes sense to have blue-green roof. And you find that there are other ecological benefits that you can have. You can have it as naturally vegetated brown roof, and you don't really have to really worry about maintenance. But a flat roof does provide you the opportunity to actually look at water at that level. The other great thing, I've always had an interesting question.